Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to cancel Shopify subscription. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. About 1 minute. So open your Shopify admin panel and go to settings and select plan. So right now I'm using trial version, so here you can see the deactivate trial option. But if you're using premium subscription, then here you will get deactivate subscription or cancel subscription option, so you have to click on that. And before you go, review these steps to take before closing a store. You can read this article and it will be very helpful. And now select the reason why you're canceling your subscription, then click on continue and enter your password and click on deactivate now. And this is how we can cancel subscription on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links and descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.